Hello guys, welcome back to your English class. Today I'm going to explain you can or can't. Can or can't, they are a modal verb. Now today we're going to check what is the correct function for this verb. Okay, here we go. We have can. Can't, we use can to talk about possibility or prohibition. For example, can you do that? Or can you smoke here? The second use, we use can to talk about ability. For example, I can speak French, I can speak Italian, I can drive, or I can't dance ballet. The third use, we use can't to ask for and give permission. For example, can I go to the bathroom? Yes, you can. Or you can use my phone, or you can't use my phone. And the last use, we use can in offers and requests. For example, can you give me a hand? Or can you help me? Now, we have the structure here. As you can see, we have singular subject and plural subjects, plus the verb can and the verb in simple form. For example, I can speak English. You can't ride a bike. He can't drive a car. She can't play the guitar. And it can't swim. Plural subjects, we can play football. You can see the stars and they can dance. Now, as you can see, with all the subjects, we have to use the verb in infinitive, okay? It doesn't change. You have to write the verb in the base form, okay? Now, what about negative form? In negative form, we have to add just the word can't. For example, I can't speak French. You can't ride a horse. He can't drive a truck. She can't play the piano. It can't fly. Or, plural subjects, we can't play tennis, you can't see germs, and they can't sing. Okay? Now, as I told you, you just have to add can't in negative form, and the verb is in a simple way. Speak right in the base form. Okay, now, the last part, questions. You have the sentence in affirmative way. They can speak Spanish. Now, if you want to write the same sentence but into question, you have to write at first can plus your subject, the verb, and your complement. For example, can they speak Spanish? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. And also, additional information. You have the contraction can't, or you can say cannot. It's the same idea. He can sing or he cannot sing. It's the same word. Okay? Now, here we have an exercise. Now, the first exercise is we have 10 pictures about different things that people can or can't do. Now, next to we have the sentences. Now, according with the pictures, with a number, you have to write is it can or can't, and you have to add the verb that you can see in the pictures. For example, in the first one, what are they doing? Sarah and Tom can dance. Okay? Number 2, Mary, what is she doing? Mary can swim fast. Number 3, Tony can't sing well. Tony can't sing well. Okay? And next one, number 4, that man can't cook. Can't cook. And next one, Granny, number 5, can't drive a car. Okay? And next one, she can't run fast. She can't run fast marathons. Number 7. They can't ski on the snow. They can't ski on the snow. Number 8. Tina can play the piano. Tina can play the piano. Number 9. He can't ride a horse. He can't ride a horse. And the last sentence, Mr. Smith can't paint well. Can't paint well. Okay, this is the idea. You have to check what are they doing, and then you have to write, is it can or can't, and plus the verb in infinitive form. Now we have the last exercise. We have, in this case, 4 pictures about different people: Helen, Kate, John, Alice, Tom, Jim, Ben, Peter, Joe, and Meg. Okay, now what are you gonna do with them? You have to notice, you have to pay attention with them small hands that you have. Is it the hand in a positive way? It means that they can do the activity that you can see in the picture, but if the hand indicates a negative way, it means that they can do it. Okay, it is not correct. Now you have to complete an exercise on your notebook. You have the sentences. You have about Helen, Kate, John, Alice, Tom, and Jim, Ben, Peter, Joe, and Meg. Now in the box you have the verbs: play football, swim, run fast, roll skate, play chess, play guitar, draw, and ride a bike. The idea is you have to write the sentences according with the pictures, and then you have to write is it can or can't, and the verb from the box. And that's all, guys. Don't forget to check if you want to make a video or recording, and don't forget to do your activities from your book and your workbook, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye.